वेलकम टू रोहिला स्टेनो क्लासेस। आपका डिक्टेशन शुरू होगा 3 सेकंड बाद। रेडी, स्टार्ट। इन व्यू ऑफ द फैक्ट दैट इलेक्शंस टू द legislatures and the local representative bodies are now a permanent feature of the life of the nation, it has become urgently necessary to put the election machinery in the districts and their subdivisions on a more satisfactory and well thought out basis. In the Commission's view, a separate nucleus election office with an adequate permanent staff on a whole-time basis should be set up in every district and subdivision, and this office should be temporarily strengthened by additional hands at the time of an election. The district or subdivisional election offices may normally be part-time officers who must, however, be relieved of most, if not all, of their other duties at the time of the elections. Para. In the course of inspections of some district election offices undertaken by the Election Commission, it was noticed that the organization at the district and subdivisional level is almost always inadequate and very often haphazard and unsatisfactory. This is not at all fair to the officers who are expected to carry on this important duty, and it is not to be wondered that the work done by the election staff in between two general elections is very often below the requisite standard and comes in for severe criticism. Much more sustained and better organized efforts would be called for in future than hitherto, if even such routine work is to be done in an efficient and business-like manner. A permanent and adequate nucleus election office at each administrative center is therefore essential. Para. In regard to the preparation and maintenance of the electoral rolls of a constituency, the permanent machinery consists of the Election Commission, the Chief Electoral Officer, and the Electoral Registration Officer of the constituency. There is an electoral registration officer for each assembly constituency, and it is his responsibility to prepare and annually revise the electoral roll for the constituency as required by law. The law has made provision for the appointment of one or more assistant electoral registration officers to assist the electoral registration officer in the performance of his functions. Every assistant electoral registration officer is subject to the control of the electoral registration officer competent to perform all or any of the functions of the electoral registration officer. The electoral registration officer, who is an officer of the government, is nominated by the Election Commission. दोस्तों, यदि डिक्टेशन अच्छा लगा हो तो वीडियो को लाइक करें, शेयर करें और चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करके बेल आइकन अवश्य दबा दें ताकि लेटेस्ट वीडियो का नोटिफिकेशन आप तक तुरंत पहुंच सके।